Ponytail thinks you're afraid of him.
I shoot Jay. So you think so? You scared of him?
What? Gun jam.
Gun jam.
Default.
Thabow loses a point. How does that work?
I want you guys to chant for Boneyard. We all Boneyard in the top.
I was going to say, we're all Boneyard.
Close. It was close.
Quit stalling, Jack!
I said I'm disappointed, but at least it was good matches, so I'm not disappointed that I lost.
Yeah, the matches were fun.
I wish I could have made it to the semis though, especially finishing in first.
Punisher.
That's
Punisher.
Yo,
All right, we're good.
I'm watching.
All right! Ready! We're gonna watch you lose! 3, 2, 1, go!
He's camping out. I'm coming for him.
I'm hunting rabbit.
Come on, Jack, take him out. It's even better if you shot him from behind. Right in the ass.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Should have worn a shirt, Jack.
One minute!
Show us how you're fearless leader. Come on.
I'm sensing a lot of fear from that one. The fear is strong in him.
How does your weapon
That's right, I made a Star Wars reference because I'm a fucking nerd and proud of it.
That's okay. I'm the biggest geeky now.
Literally.
Yeah.
He's literally the biggest geek.
I don't know. I come up to the man's nipples. Like, really?
Not his shoulder, I mean. I need a good
Don't feel bad.
I keep losing
I could probably rest my balls on the animal's chin.
Oh, you just touched it.
No distracting noises.
Lost in underneath.
You have to go to the...
For the first, I mean, they've got to have some kind of...
Where can you get those?
10 seconds!
9, 8,
Yes, there is.
7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Time!
Time.
Nope, that's no point, and they switch sides and we'll go again until they get a point.
stop hiding from me, boy.
Does he?
I almost did that.
They do both. He already has one.
Yeah, but we're not gonna let him fucking take it on that. Fuck, that's not fun. You want to actually get 2 points in the final.
We can't just like let them camp on either end of the field for 2 minutes at a time. You know what I mean? So that's why we have a time limit.
Scorpion's not BBC.
Right.
If we're not moving, we're
Sorry,
time. But
sorry.
if they start
That's
moving,
exactly it.
Sorry.
If they don't move, we call time. They switch sides. They go again until somebody gets hit. Ready?
Come on, Jack.
Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
It makes a unique sound.
Yeah. It's so close. Rather BBs than real bullets.
Hey, you got another one?
Real bullets make cool sound. They go
I prefer not to.
Take the crusher.
even when you go to butt, so
Light too.
it's weird sound. It's like a big flat sound when it goes by your head. Is it like a big flat when it goes by your head?
Oh, that's a crap.
We're seeing a lot of punker, free
I like how...
house in the desert.
Whoa!
You get shot by a shotgun like all in his face, like around. Sparks sitting on the gun and everything. Yeah. You see him actually.
1 minute! Hey, that was a hit!
That's a hit!
Oh, that was a hit!
Headshot.
This is it.
Tiebreaker!
Tiebreaker. 1
Last
point,
round!
please. Oh, can't get no more fucking exciting than that.
The sensitive stuff.
I went
I think that was
over
your
it.
last BB too. I mean, that's
I just reloaded. I never shoot all 10. I never play airsoft, but when I do,
Alright, this is
Come on, Jack!
the tiebreaker.
This is it.
fuck up, Jack.
You get to cut his ponytail, Jack.
There's two majors there. I don't know why they're a bunch of majors too.
Holy fuck.
I'm thinking like 10 years time, you can tell his daughters how horrible he was at this game. And he has to take it.
I'm in the top three for all four.
Yeah, to lose.
Is that why your voices went up?
He's in the top of the ball that couple people lose.
Ready? Yep. Ready? For the game. 3, 2, 1, go!
This round is going until somebody gets shot.
Lame! 3 years in a row, really, people?
That's all we gave you, boys.
Did you hear everybody's excitement after Thabow won? All the
hear about it for
fucking
another
crowd
fucking year.
erupted.
Not a single yay.
I booed.
It was